Hey, foodies, James here. Welcome you back to Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of culinary genius, exploring the stories behind famous pineapple chicken dishes and the incredible individuals who crafted them. So, buckle up and get ready for a flavorful journey that's as exciting as it's delicious. Sweet and tangy origins. Our delectable journey begins with the sweet and tangy origins of pineapple chicken, a time when culinary pioneers experimented with the harmonious blend of succulent chicken and the tropical sweetness of pineapples. The pioneer dish. Now, let's dive into the dish that started it all, a classic blend of pineapple and savory chicken. This iconic pairing has stood the test of time, captivating taste buds and becoming a staple on dining tables around the world. Global influences. Pack your virtual bags because we are about to embark on a global tour. Join me as we explore how different cultures put their unique spin on the pineapple chicken, turning it into a beloved international sensation. Culinary icons. Now, let's meet the culinary icons who elevated pineapple chicken into a masterpiece. These trailblazers not only tantalized taste buds but also left an incredible mark on the world of gastronomy. Buckle up, folks, we are just getting started. Vegan frenzy. Hold on tight as we dive headfirst into the wide world of pineapple chicken fusions. Prepare for a culinary roller coaster as we explore inventive twists that push the boundaries of flavor. Homemade delights. Who says you cannot bring the magic home? Join me in savoring these mouth-watering homemade delights, where pineapple chicken transforms into comforting home cooking perfection. Recipe secrets. Alright, time to spill the pineapple infused secrets. Join me as we uncover the art of crafting the perfect pineapple chicken, from ingredients to cooking techniques. It's all here. And that's a wrap on our pineapple chicken journey. If your taste buds are tingling, hit that subscribe button and let's keep this culinary exploration going. Until next time, stay hungry, my friend.